Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to enable sharing or how to join domain in Windows 11. Now I am set IP address in this Windows 11 machine. When we will set the IP address, only after that our machine will be connected to the network. Right click on network and click properties. Click on change adapter settings. As you can see it will showing two network connection, one is Bluetooth or second is Ethernet 0. Right click on Ethernet 0 and select properties. Select TCP/IP version 4 and select properties. Select use the following IP address. Now here we will set the IP address of the same network which is running on our LAN environment. Our LAN environment using class B network. I am set the IP address of this machine as 172.16.0.10. Click on subnet mask. This will automatically pick up the default subnet mask of class B. If you have any server in your network environment or you are using internet. So here we will put his IP address in DNS. So I have Windows Server and our LAN environment. Go to Windows Server 2019. Now I am checking our Windows Server IP address. Go to Run, and type cmd then press Enter. Type ipconfig then press Enter. This command is used to see the IP address. Our Windows 2019 IP address is 172.16.0.1. Let's close command prompt. Go to Windows 11 machine. Fill IP address, 172.16.0.1. This is our Windows Server IP address. Click on OK. Click Close. Our IP address has been set. On Windows 11. Close Network Connections. Close Network and Sharing Center. Now we can check communication between Windows 11 or Windows Server. Go to Run. Type cmd then press Enter. Ping space 172.16.0.1 then press Enter. As you can see our server can reply. This means our Windows 11 machine successfully communicate with Windows Server. Go to Windows Server 2019. Now here we can also check communication between Windows Server 2019 and Windows 11 machine. Ping space 172.16.0.10 then press Enter. As you can see, it will show request timeout. This means my Windows Server cannot communicate with Windows 11, but if I am check pinging Windows 11 to Windows Server 2019 I can be successfully pinging. Now the problem is Windows 11 machine cannot enable network sharing. Now we can change some Windows 11 network sharing settings. Go to Windows 11 machine. Let's close command prompt. Right click on network and click properties. Click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Currently expand guest or public profile. Turn on Network Discovery under Network Discovery tab. Turn on File and Printer Sharing under File and Printer Sharing tab. Now expand Private Profile. Turn on Network Discovery. Turn on File and Printer Sharing. Expand All Networks Profile. Turn on sharing so anyone with network access can read and write files in the public folder. Click on Use 128-bit encryption to help protect file sharing connections. Click on Save Changes. Now Windows 11 network sharing setting has been enabled. Go to Windows Server 2019. Ping again Windows 11 machine IP address 172.16.0.10. Then press Enter. As you can see, Windows 11 machine is replying. Because of that we are enable Windows network sharing settings. Let's close command prompt. Go to Windows 11 machine. Close network and sharing center. Now I want to join domain to my Windows 11 machine. First of all, let us know that there is a domain server in our network environment named vinayak.local, and its IP address is 172.16.0.1. I will join a domain vinayak.local. Right-click on this PC and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. Click Computer Name. Click on Change. By default, every machine is member of workgroup. Click on Domain. Fill domain name vinayak.local. Click OK. Fill user domain administrator and password. Click OK. As you can see, welcome to the vinayak.local domain. This means our Windows 11 machine has successfully joined domain. Click OK. Click OK. Click Close. Click Restart now. It's necessary to restart machine. Now I am log on as domain administrator on Windows 11 machine. Click on Other User. See, it will show sign in to Vinayak. Fill administrator under username. As you can see, as soon as we put the administrator, it is showing administrator of the local machine. So here we will type the domain name before the administrator vinayak/administrator. Fill domain admin password, and click on arrow button. Now our domain admin is log on. Click on File Explorer. Right-click on this PC and select Properties. See, full device name under device specification. Node1.vinayak.local. Let's close settings. So today we learned in this video how to set up IP address on Windows 11, how to enable network sharing and how to join domain. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.